Good morning, children. In the yesterday's class, we have learned about subtraction of 5-digit numbers without regrouping and subtraction of 5-digit numbers with regrouping. And yesterday till we have solved the sums till F1. Yes, we have solved the sums till F1. Today we'll solve the remaining sums of this lesson. Let's start with the understand. When there are zeros in the minuend, you may need to regroup more than once before you subtract. Study these examples. What is the meaning of this now? See, minuend means the first addend. Okay? The first addend is called minuend in the subtraction. Okay? This is the first addend or the minuend. If there are more zeros, then we need to subtract that is regroup more than once. We have to regroup the number more than once. Let's see the examples now. This is 30,000 and this is 17,534. Let's subtract these numbers. The bigger number is 30,000. So keep here 30,000 and 17,534 in the second addend place. That is subtrahend or second addend. It is also called subtrahend or second addend. Then subtract the numbers. Now here there are more zeros in the minuend. Yes, there are more zeros in the minuend. Only in the 10,000 place 3 is there. Rest all numbers are 0. In this case, what we need to do? We have to regroup the number twice. Twice means the first number we have to cancel and make it as 0. One we have to take from this number and make this as 0. So it will become 10. And the remaining numbers which are followed in the tens place, 100 place and 1000 place, if these numbers are also 0, then we need to regroup the number twice. That is, directly we have to write the numbers, skip the number and write. Here we are not going to write, cancel this and make it as 10. Directly we can write 9, 9 and 9. So if in the minuend place more zeros will be there, then the ones place number write as, cancel all the zeros and write the ones place number as 10 and the remaining numbers 9. We have to skip the numbers directly by 1 here. Okay? Only in the ones place the number will be 10. We have to write the ones place number as, cancel and write 10. Now subtract the numbers. 10 minus 4 will be 6. 9 minus 3 will be 6 again. And 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Let's see the other examples now. See the A1. The number is 30,040 and 17,326. Let's solve this sum. Now here 0 is there. 0 is lesser than 6. So cancel this 0 and the previous number. This one which is in 100 place. Sorry, in tens place. And take 1 from here and keep this as 0 as it is and make it as 10. And 4 minus 1 will be 3. Yes, 4 minus 1 will be 3. Now subtract the numbers. 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now in the 100 place numbers are 0 and 3. 3 is bigger than this 0. Again here we need to cancel this number and the previous number. Now in previous number also it is 0. The previous number also 0 and this number also 0. So what we have to write? The number which you are going to subtract first, that number we should write as 10. We have to take 1 from this number and make it as 10 and the next number which you cancel we have to write as 9. If here also 0 will be there, then this will also become 9 only. Okay, if you cancel and write, it will also become 9 only. Now only 2 zeros are there. The first number we should write 10 and the next is 9. So subtract the numbers now. 10 minus 3 will be 7. 9 minus 2 will be 9 minus 7 will be 2. Then 3. If we have cancelled the previous number also, then we need to cancel this also and make it as 2. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Now subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. See the next one. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Cancel this 0 and make it as 10 by taking 1 from here. Cancel this 3 also and write it as 2. Okay. Now in 100 place, here also 4 is bigger than 0. Cancel this number also. And the next number is also 0. So cancel this also and the previous also. Because we are going to cancel this also. We are going to regroup this number also, so we have to cancel this also. Now write the numbers. This will be 10, this will be 9, and 8 minus 1 will be 7. Now subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, then 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 3 is also 6, then 7 minus 2 will be 5. So the answer is 56,615. Now we will solve the remaining sums C, D, E and F1. We'll see the next exercise. Quick drill. Find the difference. You are going to find the difference. You are going to write these numbers in the notebook. Then you are going to solve these sums. Write these numbers in the notebook properly by keeping the place value chart. Then solve these sums. Okay. Let's see the A1 now. I'll solve and I'll show here only. Okay. You all write in your notebook. Solve in your notebook. 86,270 minus 34,185. Subtract the numbers. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Make it as 10 and the previous number. 1 less is 7 minus 1 is 6. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 6 minus 8 is also not possible. So cancel this 6 and make it as 16 by taking 1 from here, and 2 minus 1 will be 1. The previous number also we need to subtract by 1. So this will become 1. Now 16 minus 8 will be 8. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer of A1 is 52,085. Now this E1 I'll solve. E1 80,000 minus 53,097. Now here in the minuend many zeros are there. So what we have to do? The number in the ones place we need to write it as 0, and the remaining all numbers cancel these all and write as 9, because we have to skip by 2. And the next number also cancel and write it as 7, because 8 minus 1 is 7. We are going to take 1 from here to here, 1 from here to here. If you write 10, 10 again cancel those numbers, it will be a big process. It will take time. So this will be the easiest method. You need to remember the ones place number you will write as directly 10, and the remaining numbers which are in the tens, hundreds and thousand place, if these numbers are 0, directly cancel the numbers and write as 999, and the 10,000 place number 1 less, because here also 0 is there. Here we have cancelled and taken 1 from here, so we need to cancel. Now subtract the numbers. 10 minus 7 will be 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, then 9 minus 3 will be 6, then 7 minus 5 is 2. So the answer is 26,903. Okay. Now the remaining sums, this B, C, D and F1, you will solve and solve the sums in your notebook neatly with a pen and send. See the next question now. Solve the following problems. They have given the subtraction problems. Let's see what are the questions. A1. Form the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using the digits 3, 9, 8, 5 and 0 ones. Find their difference. Ones means we should not repeat the number. By using 3, 9, 8, 5 and 0, we need to find the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers. By using these numbers. Children, we have studied how to form the numbers using the digits. Yes. And if you want to find the greatest 5-digit numbers using these numbers, what we have to do? We have to write the numbers in the descending order. That is, we have to write the numbers from big to small. Yes. And if you want to find the smallest 5-digit numbers using these numbers, we have to write the numbers in the ascending order. That is, from small to big. Let's write the numbers. First we need to write the greatest number, then the smallest number. Now we have 3, 9, 8, 5 and 0. Among these numbers, which is the greatest number? 9 is greatest. So write 9 in the 10,000 place. Then the second greatest is 8. Then third greatest is 5. Then 3 and 0 is smallest. Okay. Now write the smallest number. Form the smallest 5-digit numbers using these 5 digits. Now which is smallest here? 0 is smallest. But if you write 0 in the 10,000 place, then it will be having no value. It has no value in the 10,000 place. If no numbers are there before 0, then it has no value. So what we will do? We will write the second greatest number first. Second smallest number first, then the 0. Now 0 is smallest. We will write in the 1000 place. Then the second smallest is 3. So write this 3 here. Then third smallest is 5. Then 8. And last is 9 is greatest. Yes. Now solve the sum. Subtract the numbers. Take 1 from here. Cancel both the numbers. Take 1 from here. Make it as 10. And 3 minus 1 will be 2. This will be 2 now. Yes. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now 2 minus 8 is also not possible because 2 is smaller than 8. So again cancel this 2 and the previous number 5 and write this number as 12. Make this number as 12 by taking 1 from here and 2 as it is. Then here 1 less means it will become 4. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Subtract 12. 8 from 12 you will get 4. Now 4 minus 5. Again here 4 is smaller than the 5. So cancel this 4 and make it as 14. And the previous number also cancel and write 1 less as 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 will be 9. Yes, then 7 minus 0 will be 7. And 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so the answer is 67,941. Now here find the missing numbers. They have asked to find the missing numbers here. Here we'll start from the ones place. 6 minus 5 is 1. Directly we can write is, and 0 dash is there and 0 is there. What we can write here so that the answer will become if you subtract 0 from any number. Which number? 0 only. 0 minus 0 will be 0 only. If you subtract the same numbers, you will get answer as 0 only. This is a property of subtraction. Yes. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. Then again 9 minus 9 will be 0. Then 8 dash 8 is there. If you subtract the same numbers, you will get 0. Yes, and if you subtract any number from 0, then the answer will be the same number. Yes. So 8 dash 8 is 8 minus 0 is. If you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the answer as same number only. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay. See the next C1. Find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number. We have to subtract the numbers of greatest 5-digit and smallest 3-digit number. Which is greatest 5-digit number? 99,999. Yes, this is greatest 5-digit number. Now, next is the smallest 3-digit number. Which is smallest 3-digit number? 100. Yes, 100 is smallest 3-digit number. So, write 0. This 0 in ones place, this 0 in the tens, and this 1 in the 100 place. Now subtract the numbers. 9 minus 0 will be 9. Again 9 minus 0 will be 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then 9, nothing is there means 0 only we have to consider, because there is 0 has no value here. Okay, 9 minus 0 is 9 only, and here also 9 as it is. So the answer is 99,899. Now next, find the missing numbers. Here we'll find the missing numbers. Here 2 is lesser than 4. Yes children, 2 is lesser than 4. So cancel these two, both the numbers. This and this, the previous number. Make this as 12 and write this as 4. Okay. Then subtract the numbers. 12 minus 4 will be 8. Then 4 minus 5 is also not possible. 4 minus 9 is not possible. So cancel this and make it as 14. And this as 1 minus 1 will be 0. This will be 0. Then subtract the numbers. 14 minus 9 will be 5. 14 minus 5 will be 9. Then here we have to write the missing number now. 0 dash 0. When you subtract the same numbers, you will get 0. So here 0 will come. 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay. Now the next number we have to find here. Answer you have got 7 here. And you have subtracted from the 6. So which number will come here? Here. Think and write here. 3 will come. Okay, here 3 will come. If you cancel this 3 and make it as 13, then 13 minus 6 will be 7. Yes, 13 minus 6 will be 7, and here 1 less means this is also 7. Then 7 minus dash is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Correct? Here 6 is there and your answer is 7. So if you write here 3 and make it as 13 by using borrow method, by giving carryover, then you can get the answer 7. That is by 13 minus 6 will be 7. Then 8 minus, here 8 is there, 1 we have taken from here to here, so 1 less we have to write, that is 8 minus 1 will be 7. Then 7 minus 5 will be 2. Okay. Now see the next exercise. Subtraction made easy. There is one more method of subtraction where if the zeros are more in the minuend place, that is in the addend place. Here see this example, 70,000. Here in the minuend the zeros are more. If zeros are more in this case, then you can follow this method. This method is very easy and easily you can subtract the numbers. See for example, now here 70,000 is there and 24,654 is there. Okay. Now here in the minuend place all zeros are there. No need to cancel and write the numbers. Only we have to subtract 1 from both the numbers. If many zeros are there in the minuend place, like 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 10,000, like this, if the numbers are there, then we can subtract 1 from both the numbers, and then the subtraction will become very easier. See, this is 70,000 now. If you subtract 1 from 70,000, you will get the previous number of this. Yes, the previous number of 70,000 is 69,999. Yes, and the previous number of 24,654 is 24,653. Yes, now the subtraction will become easier. Minuend numbers are greater than the subtrahend numbers. So we can subtract the numbers very easily. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. Again 9 minus 4 is 5. And 6 minus 2 will be 4. Okay. Let's see the next question. Next exercise, HOTS. Find the difference using the above method. Using this method only we'll solve these sums here, because in minuend place many zeros are there, so we can use this method and your subtraction will become easier and you will solve the sum very quickly. Let's solve the A1 first. A1 is 70,000 and you need to solve these sums in your notebook. 34,712. Now these numbers they have given. Now we have to subtract 1 from both the numbers and write the numbers first. Subtract 1 from both the numbers. If you subtract 1 from both the numbers, then 70,000 will become 69,999 and this 34,712 will become 34,711. Yes, then subtract the numbers. 9 minus 1 will be 8. 9 minus 1 will be again 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 6 minus 3 will be 3. Yes, quickly we'll get the answer and the subtraction will become easier if you solve by this method. That is, subtract 1 from both the numbers. Subtract 1 from both the numbers means you have to write the previous number of that. If you subtract 1 from any number, the previous number will be your answer, that is predecessor. Okay. Now we will solve B, C, D, E and F1 sums and you will send me. Today's homework is solve these 4 numbers, then here 4 numbers and these 5 numbers. Solve all the sums. If you have any doubt, please do ask. Okay. Thank you.